what happens. Been driving 22 hours and you're too tired to put up a tent. So you just throw a tarp over the bike, stake it out. You're going to be sleeping next to the high side. Just throw sleep a blanket on the ground, pop in there, easy peasy. The other side stake down. No muss, no fuss. Everybody have a good night. Talk to you tomorrow. Alright people, got the camping tent final version made tonight. Camping next to the motorcycle with a tarp over the motorcycle. Got the helmet, day bag. Got a Mylar blanket to keep the cold ground temperature from penetrating the sleeping bag. Got a sleeping bag down there. Got some of those battery operated glow lights. And oh yeah, some DEET insect repellent. But I think we're all set. I think it's a pretty good setup myself. Beats putting up a tent, especially when you're dead tired. Talk to you later.